Welcome back everybody to the daily show where we discuss and do technical analysis on big mega cap stocks. So before we get started, please smash that like button, and 100 plus likes on this video would be greatly appreciated, guys. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. Now if you want to support the channel and get my daily trade ideas, my swing trade ideas, live trading, and all kinds of setups, definitely check out their link down below in the description for Patreon. And now let's get right into it, guys. On Apple stock, it's up 1.23%, and Apple trading into blue skies and possibly will hit a brand new all-time high early as this week. But for that to happen, Apple needs to get over 237, and if that happens, Apple can trade over 237. That becomes a support. You're going to see brand new all-time high, and that could be 240, 245, and maybe even 250. Now, underneath 237, you can see multiple rejection. If Apple gets a rejection here at 237, watch out for a pullback down to 232, 230, and below that you're going to see significant selling down to 224. On AMD, it's absolutely flat on the day and just holding at 155, and this is going to be a key level. Underneath 155, there is support at 153 and then 148. Now AMD can break over, I would say, 164. That's going to be a main resistance right here on AMD. If we can get over 164 easily, AMD can come up and retest 175 and possibly can come up and retest 187. So Netflix going up 11% with earnings $76 up on Friday. That is massive. We have a massive bullish engulfing candle, and now it's trading over 740. So if we get some sort of a pullback down to this support, that is going to be your dip buying opportunity as long as the support holds. But I would not go long here on Netflix, especially at brand new all-time high. Trading near almost 800. That is massive. So wait for that pullback if that happens. Otherwise, there is no trade right here on Netflix. Yes, things can continue to the upside, and the next upside target 780 and then 800. Only on a pullback that opens the door for a trade down here at 740 or maybe down here 735 to 725. That would be a better entry if we get some sort of a pullback down here to this previous all-time high on Netflix. On Amazon stock, it's up 0.78%. So Amazon, if you look at my screen, actually holding this trend line 188 to 189, and we're getting that breakout. So this could be on your radar going into tomorrow's session and this week. As long as Amazon trading over, I would say 188, that's bullish for possibly a move up to this high right here, 195 to 196. So there is still money to be made right here on Amazon if you can catch this move, and this support can hold this breakout right here, 188. Underneath that level, there will be support at 185 and then 183 down to critical level 180 and then 173.63. On Google stock, it's only up 0.33%. So Google finding support at 164, trying to bounce off of this support, and now it's sitting at 165. So watch out. As long as 164 can hold, we might see a move back up to 170, and over that level, Google can come up and retest 176. Underneath 164, there is support at 162. On Meta, it's absolutely flat on that day, and you can see even on Friday we got up to 583, got a rejection, came back, and pretty much flat on that day. So until we get over 583, you're not going to see a retest of 600 on Meta, and that should be your trade right here. We get a breakout over 583 that can hold, then you're going to play this up to 600. Now, if that don't happen next week, we cannot get over, you can see 3 days, we cannot get over 583. In that case, watch out for a pullback down to 565 and from there, 543. On Microsoft, it's up 0.35%. So Microsoft, yes, it's kind of a flat day. And again, guys, we got head, left shoulder, and right shoulder forming right here. And if this is going to play out, there will be significant selling. Another way to look at it, if you actually make a trend line like this and then another one right here, well, this is a massive giant bear flag that could be playing out. And if you put this down here, I mean, there's going to be significant downside. Now, I'm not trying to scare anybody here, but that is the case right here, guys. Yes, we have a bear flag in our hand right here on Microsoft. Also, we do have this head and shoulder pattern that can actually play out. But if you ask me, so far in this market, we have seen bear flags in head and shoulder patterns on SPY before and also on Qs. But who cares? It actually broke out to the upside. So, until things break levels and you see, it's breaking down right in front of you, don't go and short blindly. Yes, that pattern is bearish, is there, but we don't have a confirmation of a breakdown yet. So Microsoft, key line in the sand, 414, 413, and if we can get over 427, that's going to be extremely bullish for a move up to 442 on Microsoft. On Nvidia stock, it's up 0.78%. So Nvidia, we got that pullback. It was holding 136, and I said remain bullish over 136, extremely bullish, and so far that is holding. So 136 holds, you're going to see 140 and possibly even 150 on Nvidia stock, and that's gonna be a brand new all-time high. The market cap already, I think, over 3 or $3.5 trillion, and it can go up even more, possibly up to $4 trillion, and there is no signs of any pullback at this point. As long as we are trading over 136, even at 130, that is still bullish here on Nvidia. Now, Nvidia gets that pullback and gets under 130. In that case, if we get a massive bearish engulfing candle like this one or this one, in that case, you're going to see significant selling and continuation to the downside, and this would be another fake breakout to the upside, look above and fail, and then you're going to see selling here on Nvidia stock. But remain bullish as long as we're trading over, I would say, 130 to 136. 130, that's going to be your main line in the sand right here. If there is a big pullback that unfolds next week down to 130, and if that gives up, the next one 126. Over 136, watch out for a break over 140 and possibly trading into blue skies and going up to a brand new all-time high, which could be 150. On Tesla stock, is absolutely flat on the day. Well, only dip left here in the market is Tesla here getting a beat down, trading at 220. So Tesla, your line in the sand, 212, 213. As long as the support can hold, yes, you can try to buy this falling knife right here, but I would be really cautious buying this dip at 213, 212, because if that gives up, you're going to see a lot more selling. Now also, we did talk about it before, this can turn into, and it is there guys, bear flag pattern right here. I mean, this could be a nice, mini bear flag, and if this is where to play out, you're going to see a lot more selling. Now, Tesla stays over 212 to 213 and gets over this 224, 223 level out of this consolidation. In that case, we might have a trade in our hand, and Tesla can come up and fill this gap before going down, and that is right here at 233 to 234, and that's going to be a resistance and a gap getting filled right here, and that could be an opportunity for you to catch this trade. But wait for this high to be taken out right here, 224. And that's all I have for you guys in this video, and please don't forget to hit that like button. We still need 100+ likes on this video, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated